The remote control for these units is made by a company called Ortec. Very high quality remote control systems, very safe. They have a function to search for other competing signals nearby and to move their frequency and the machine's frequency to a safer distance from those other frequencies. So it's extra safe. In essence, you've got forwards and reverse on this lever. You've got steering right and left on this lever, and then it lifts and lowers the head like that. Emergency stop, clearly. Here we've got a speed controller. So this speed controller will actually control the speed of all of the actions of the machine on these levers. So obviously for loading and unloading, you turn that down. For working, you would use the progressive nature of the lever to control your speed. Here we have a bias control for the hydraulics. So if the machine's working on a slope and you want to make the machine go across the slope, then you can bias the lower track to steer to the right or to the left to keep a straight line. Very useful function. Along the bottom, that's the normal direction, so you would track forwards and backwards like this. By flipping that, you actually get a reversal of all of the directional functions if you're driving back towards yourself. This is twin speed on the tracking. Again, for working you'd be in first. For tracking to the job you might be in second. This is flail direction, so cutting downwards with the flail or upwards. This is flail speed. This is the flap on the front of the head to open and close it. And auxiliary. We're not using auxiliary with just a standard flail head, but you might with other attachments. And then float. There's a nitrogen accumulator based float system, and this activates that function. Other than that, we've got underneath, we've got a pairing button, start and stop on the end here, and then throttle speed on these two buttons here. And then lastly, under this side of the remote is a reversal fan function to reverse the fan on the radiator to blow material off the back. The battery is underneath and can easily be removed and recharged. You get two normally with every remote, and you're charging one as the other one's being used.